N8N versus LangChain. Which automation tool is better in 2025? So in this video, we will explore both to help you decide. So make sure to like and subscribe for more reviews. Starting with their purpose and use case. N8N is a no-code or low-code workflow automation tool. It's great for automating tasks using visual node-based flows, while LangChain is a framework primarily for developers to build LLM-powered applications, more code-heavy and tailored towards AI app building. Next is their user interface. N8N has a visual editor that's intuitive and beginner-friendly, while LangChain doesn't have a built-in GUI. It's code-centric and it requires Python or JavaScript experience. Next is their integration. N8N supports over 300 integrations including APIs, databases, cloud tools, and custom webhooks. On the other hand, LangChain integrates deeply with LLMs, vector stores, and memory modules, ideal for complex AI workflows, but not for basic automation. Next is their community and ecosystem. N8N has a open source community, hosted cloud option, and growing documentation, while LangChain has an active developer community focused on AI but is less beginner accessible. Next is their deployment. N8N can be self-hosted or used via their cloud plan, while LangChain is entirely self-managed or used via third-party LLM environments like OpenAI or Hugging Face. So for final verdict, N8N is best for general workflow automation, suitable for beginners to intermediate users, and LangChain is better for developers building AI apps or LLM-based tools. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.